Well, you have got less than 6 hours left to make sure you have health insurance.
Anyone not signed up by 11 o'clock tonight, Austin time, could face a penalty on next year's tax returns. Across the country, there have been a flood of last-minute applications, and it has not been easy to sign up. Another software bug shut down healthcare.gov, the website there, for several hours. That happened this morning. Officials say it is now running at full capacity.
Back here at home, people are still rushing to beat tonight's deadline. You can see these folks lining up at the Community Financial Center at Highland Mall. There were about 2 or 3 dozen people signing up earlier today, but even more this past weekend, about 400 in total.
And a similar situation in Williamson County. Many health clinics plan to stay open late tonight to help people finish enrolling. KXAN's Lindsay Bramson shows us the problems affecting people signing up in Georgetown.
This community health center in Georgetown has been assisting dozens of people all day, one after another, to ensure that those who need it most enroll before tonight's deadline.
Our phones are ringing off the hook. People are wanting to come in, and our appointments are booking up fast. We just opened additional slots to try to get additional people in this evening.
Lone Star Circle of Care is just one of many area clinics helping as many people as they can before the clock strikes midnight Eastern time. If you don't have health insurance and you don't enroll by tonight, you could face a tax penalty. But it hasn't been smooth sailing. Glitches on the website caused trouble Monday for many.
For most people who've already signed up, who have an account, they're able to come in and complete that enrollment. It's people who are signing up today for the first time that they're seeing a little bit difficulty with the website.
For some, it's problems with the website. Others have been able to get on, but still can't afford it.
I've tried to do it on my own, to do the healthcare.gov, and it's too expensive still.
Veronica Rodriguez is married with 4 kids.
$161 for me with a household of 5 people and making $18,000 a year is just not, it's not cutting it.
Financial penalties could be as much as $95 or 1% of your annual income. Lindsay Bramson, KXAN News.
Many clinics like that one in Georgetown will be staying open late tonight. Again, the deadline for open enrollment is midnight Eastern time, 11 o'clock here in Central Texas. Looking closer, there's a surge of people trying to sign up for health care. The Department of Health and Human Services reporting 2 million visits to healthcare.gov this weekend. Their call center took 2.5 million calls last week. That is more than the number for the entire month of February. A lot of people who want health care will not be able to finish their applications by tonight's deadline, but the government is letting people who start the process online today finish later. The White House has not yet announced when that deadline will be. People who submit paper applications have until April the 7th to get them in. If you do not sign up, you'll face a penalty in next year's taxes.
Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius is making a push for people to sign up before the deadline. She was doing that in Austin on Friday, where I sat down with her for a one-on-one interview. She said, as you heard in Lindsay's story, those who do not qualify and do not sign up will face a $95 penalty or have to pay 1% of their income, whichever is greater. Well, online right now, listen to the Secretary explain the reasons for that penalty in our full interview. That's on KXAN.com.